First, I'm going to start out with a light blue shade in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm using a large fluffy brush from ColourPop, and I am going to blend this from crease to right under my eyebrow. Then I'm going to use a medium blue shade, and I'm going to place that in my crease as a blending shade with the Morphe M514 brush. With that same brush, I'm going to use a darker blue, and I'm going to place that in my crease and just a little bit above my crease. And this is actually a watercolor brush, and I'm going to use it to cut my crease. And then I messed up a little bit, so I'm going to very gently buff a little bit more dark blue into the crease. Now I'm tapping white eyeshadow over top of the concealer. Now I'm going to use this bright yellow shade on a flat brush, and I'm going to tap that on the inner corner, being very careful not to get any yellow to mix with the blue, otherwise it's going to become a muddled green mess. Then taking a bright green shade, I am going to use a different flat brush, and I'm going to place that in the middle. Then I'm going to take the medium blue shade, and I'm going to place that on the outer corner of my eye and blend it with the dark blue shade using windshield wiper motions. And then I'm going to go back and do the same thing with the yellow and green, blending it using windshield wiper motions, and again with the green. And I've done my eyeliner and cleaned up the edges with a makeup wipe, and now I'm just dusting white shadow over my brow bone. And then I'll be placing some false eyelashes,